Hi. How are you? You're 2 months old today. And we are currently at her doctor's office. Yep. And he's going to have a vaccine today, and I'm sure she's going to cry. There you go. You want your best one? You want this one? Uh-huh. You want this one? Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Give me a smile. Hey baby. Hey baby, give mommy a smile. Give mommy a smile. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Give mommy a smile, baby. How you doing? Hi. You know they're gonna poke you with needles today. Yes, they would. Yes, they would. It's gonna hurt. Yes, it is. It's gonna hurt. But it will be just really quick. Yeah. It will be just really quick. If you're big enough, I'm gonna give you an ice cream. But you're not big enough yet. Yeah. Huh? Huh? You trying to talk? Hmm? Are you trying to talk, baby? Huh? Are you? Huh? Talk to mommy. Talk to mommy. You know? Come on. Talk to mommy. How you feeling? Huh? Are you feeling good? Aren't you feeling good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey. Uh-huh. You should have given me one now, huh? You're gonna be okay. You just ate. Yes, you just ate. Uh-huh. You just ate. So the baby's full. And you know what? Yeah. You're taller today. And you're also 11 pounds. Yes, you're 11 pounds. So you're growing big. Yeah, you're growing big, baby girl. Oh, cool. I know. You're growing. Uh-huh. Yes, you do. Uh-huh. You wake up too early today. Yeah, you wake up too early today. Yeah, good thing Mommy remember we have doctor's appointment. Yeah. Yeah. I love you. I love you. Ooh. You're having a hiccups again. I think you're having hiccups. Yes, you do. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, I can tell. I can tell. Yeah, I can tell you're having a hiccup. Yeah. 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 Oh, then scratch your eyes, baby. Then scratch your eyes. Just talk to mommy. Yeah, just talk to mommy. Just talk to me. And I'll be right here. Yes, I'll be right here. You can talk to me. Just don't scratch your face. Yes. Here, you can hold my finger. Yeah, just hold my finger. Hi. Hi. Huh? Are you happy? Huh? Is my baby happy today? Yeah. Is my baby happy? We don't have extra diaper. Yes, we don't have extra diaper, and I just hear you poop. Yep. Oop. Oop, oop. Hi. Hi. I love you. Yeah. Talk to mommy, baby. Hi, talk to mommy. See? Are you looking on my shirt? Huh? Yep. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. You're really looking at the phone, aren't you? Yep. Hello. Hi, talk to mommy. Hi. Are you happy, baby? Yeah? Are you a happy baby? What is it about? What is that about? Hello.